how to change language in Pluto TV. In this video, I will show you how you can change language in Pluto TV on your mobile phone or laptop or PC. So for that, just simply open any browser in your mobile or in your laptop or PC and search for Pluto TV. When you try this, just open the first website in front of you in your PC or mobile phone. Now after when it's open, at the top right side you can see there are three dots. Same will be for PC or laptop. There will be three dots if you using your PC or laptop and Google Chrome. Just simply click on these three dots, and when you click on this, you can see the option called translate. Simply click on this translate, and now again click on this setting option. Now there you can see there are option called more languages. Just simply click on more languages. Now it's up to you which language you want to translate. Let's suppose I will select any language. Let's suppose Latin, and you will see after some time you can see now this whole website has been translated. So this is the way you can translate your Pluto website on your mobile or desktop or PC.